19 Principles of Accounts, past question number 3. The causes of discrepancies between the bank statements and the bank and the cash book that overstays the cash book is the option A. Says dividend received. Dividend received enters into the bank without reflecting on the cash book. It is paid by the companies the individual has shares with. The individual has shares with. Uncredited expenses. In bank reconciliation statements, we don't recognize anything like uncredited expenses. Uncredited checks. These are checks that have not been credited. Then interest on lodgements. Interest on lodgements depends on the individual accounts and mostly is captured as interest received. So for bank reconciliation, this language may not be a conversant one for candidates. So uncredited checks, which is option C, is the cause of discrepancies which may overstate the cash book, making it different from what is the bank, because the customer might assume already that this money is already entering his account and he or she may have included that amount into his bank, into his cash book, So option C is the correct option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.